Hi, I'm Katarina. This time I will make the peony flower for the second time. You can watch the first one on my another video. The first one is look like a peony bud, but this one is a blooming peony. Before starting, prepare your tools. Template rulers, paper strips 1 millimeters, green paper for the leaves, yellow paper for the center, flower wire, white glue and of course quilling tool. Start to make the paper leaves. If you don't have the rulers and quilling tool, you can use toothpick or anything to make. Please don't forget subscribe, like, comment for supporting me. For making the paper leaves, cut into the peony leaves shape, just like in this video. It's time to make the petals. I use two techniques for making it. For 1, 2 and 3 layers, I use loose coils technique. And for the last petals, I'm using a comb to make it. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my video and have a nice day.